हे एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल जी के अपडेट विथ उन्नति। अगर आप चैनल में न्यू हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें, वीडियो को लाइक एंड शेयर करें एंड नोटिफिकेशन बेल ऑन कर लें, जिससे आपको हमारे अपकमिंग वीडियो की अपडेट मिलती रहे। तो आज के वीडियो में हम 23 जुलाई 2025 के टॉप 30 इंपॉर्टेंट करंट अफेयर्स MCQ गो थ्रू करेंगे, जो कि आपके अपकमिंग एग्जाम्स के लिए इंपॉर्टेंट है। वीडियो के लास्ट में क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे रहता है, जिसका आंसर आपको कमेंट करके बताना होता है। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन। What position has India got in the 66th International Mathematical Olympiad 2025 held in Australia? And the answer is 7th position. Second question, Oscar winner Alan Bergman, who was he? And the answer is writer. Third question, in which city was the Drug Free Youth Developed India campaign launched recently? And the answer is Varanasi. Fourth question, Bhadradari Kotha Gudem is located in which state which has won the Open Source GIS Cohort Award? And the answer is Telangana. Fifth question, Pi Approximation Day is celebrated on which of the following days? And the answer is 22nd July. Sixth question, recently the Archaeological Survey of India has declared Lungphun Ropui, located in which state, as a monument of national importance? And the answer is Mizoram. Seventh question, Shashidhar Jagdishan belongs to which bank who has been declared as the highest paid banker in India in the financial year 2024-25? And the answer is HDFC Bank. Eighth question, Tamil Nadu Day is celebrated on which of the following days? And the answer is 18th July. Ninth question, in which state is Islampur located, which was recently renamed as Ishwarpur? And the answer is Maharashtra. 10th question, in which city will the Women's Kabaddi World Cup 2025 be organized? And the answer is Hyderabad. 11th question, Indian Space Research Organization with which country's space agency jointly developed Nisar Earth Observation Satellite, which will be launched on July 30th? And the answer is America. 12th question, which foundation day of NABARD was celebrated recently? And the answer is 44th. 13th question, who has recently been appointed as the mission director of Atal Innovation Mission? And the answer is Deepak Bagla. 14th question, who has been awarded the WSIS Champion Award 2025 for digital governance? And the answer is Meri Panchayat app. 15th question, who has recently been appointed MD and Group CEO of Gift City? And the answer is Sanjay Kaul. 16th question, India's largest green hydrogen plant has been unveiled in which of the following cities? And the answer is Panipat. 17th question, who has won the men's single title in the recently held Japan Open 2025? And the answer is Shiyuki. 18th question, with which state has the United Nations Development Programme signed an agreement for disaster management? And the answer is Uttar Pradesh. 19th question, In which city was the Oriental Cup 2025 inaugurated recently? And the answer is Delhi. 20th question. Which has become the first state in India to reduce the number of voters per booth to less than 1200? And the answer is Bihar. 21st question. National Broadcasting Day is celebrated on which of the following days? And the answer is 23rd July. 22nd question. The world's largest hydropower dam is being built by whom? And the answer is China. 23rd question. When is World Brain Health Day celebrated every year? And the answer is 22nd July. 24th question. Where will India's first mining tourism project be launched? And the answer is Jharkhand. And the last 25th question. Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar has resigned from his post. Who among the following does not participate in the election of Vice President as per the Constitution? And the answer is members of State Legislative Assemblies. तो ये थे 23 जुलाई 2025 के टॉप 30 इंपॉर्टेंट करंट अफेयर MCQs। और अब आते हैं क्वेश्चंस ऑफ द डे पे। तो आज के क्वेश्चंस ऑफ द डे का पहला क्वेश्चन, ISRO under the leadership of Chairman V. Narayanan has announced to establish an independent Indian space station by which year? Second question, who became the first Indian woman to reach the semi-finals of the FIDE Women's World Cup 2025 edition? Third question, what is the name of the bilateral naval exercise between India and Singapore now in its 32nd edition? Fourth question, recently which bank was guaranteed scheduled bank status under the second schedule of the RBI Act 1934? And the last fifth question, as per the IMF, what percentage of global real-time digital payments is powered by India's UPI system? तो इन पांचों क्वेश्चन का आंसर आपको कमेंट करके बताना है।